This is Rasan Towler. We're with the Biomedical Engineering Project at St. Philip's College, and today we're going to demonstrate the Low Fidelity mannequin.
This part of the presentation we will be removing the upper cavity chest plate cover and the abdominal cavity cover so that you can see inside the low fidelity mannequin. You remove the upper chest cavity plate and it reveals the inner cavity. You will have two lungs and the stomach here. You will be able to remove these by twisting the connections, as so. When you remove all three, to clean them you must use warm soapy water. After removing the stomach and the two lungs, please check the inner cavity for any residual fluids or debris. Clean it out with the appropriate cleaner. Also, when you're doing maintenance on the low fidelity mannequin, make sure that the tracheotomy hole is clear and the two channel from the tracheotomy hole to the lungs are also clear, so that you do not hinder the nurses when they are trying to do their procedures. Also, check the nose canal from here, where you will put an NG2 from there to the stomach. Again, make sure that it is clear because we are trying to help our fellow nurses. While you're here, you can check the arm joints, upper shoulder joints. Make sure they're not too loose or not too tight by tightening the butterfly bolt here, left or right, so you have a full range of motion. That also goes for the head, full range of motion. You do not want any kinks, so that again we can help our nurses fulfill their responsibilities. As you come down the low fidelity, make sure you check the abdominal bolts on both sides. Make sure they are not too tight, not too loose, for range of motion. The abdominal cavity cover can be removed. This connection and the bladder connection can connect to a male or female genitalia, whichever one you may choose. These three buttons are stomas. Take them out, make sure everything is clear and clean. Replace them. Again, clean all this with warm soapy water. Your upper thigh has a bolt. You can remove this. It has a bolt here. It connects to the inner abdominal cavity. Again, use your butterfly to tighten or loosen for full range of motion. Check your knee bolts and your ankle for full range. Again, viewers, thank you for watching this instructional video on the low fidelity mannequin. This is Mike Campbell. My name is Rasan Towler. We are from the Biomedical Engineering Project at St. Philip's College.